when traveling abroad. In order to avoid repeating the same action every day, take a photo, eat food, catch the train, take the wrong road, so I will join the bowling trip. Make the content of the tour exciting. You can also learn about each country. Bowling equipment difference. Do you like cars?
Do you like to drive fast? Every time you go abroad, take a bus or train? Would you like to drive yourself? Came to Ho Chi Minh City. It is safer to take a taxi. There are a lot of cars in the city. There are also motorcycles that appear at any time. Even if you have a driver's license, you don't dare to drive in the city.
Leave the city, came to the Kart 1 circuit. Cheaper fees, save equipment. You can go crazy at full speed. You only have to think about it. I have to drive for 5 minutes. Or 10 minutes.
Small circuit. There are a lot of corners. Keep turning the steering wheel. After a few laps, it is not the feet that feel sore. It is the arm and neck.
Leave the noisy urban area, came to the circuit. Different noises. The same high decibel. Travel itinerary to join the racing event. You will be the player in the game, not the audience in the stands. That would be the most beautiful tourist memories of Vietnam.
I also like to visit churches or temples. Learn about the lives of locals. This is the best way. Church or temple. There are many monuments. Let us see a different history. See the vitality of this country. There is also pressure on the family.